In the last video, I know I talked about how you could do captions manually. So here's the next option to that, all right? I'm sure many of you don't want to go through the stress of doing that manually. That's how I learned it anyways, but we all know we have to save time these days because we have a lot to do. So here are a few options you can try out, right? This is, if you go to the App Store, you can just type auto cap free, maybe look for free platforms you can use. All right, just type there auto cap and then you can see some options. So some options that I know there's some popular ones that you can use on Android phones and as well on Apple phones. So just feel free to type and explore. But this is just a sample of what can be available. Below this video, I've dropped a link, or is it above or below? You will find a link where I found a blog where you can find out a couple of up to 5 sites that you can use to add subtitles to your video, all right? And that applies to Android or, iPhone. So please click the link and read through and explore any of the apps they mentioned there so that you can get the best of this for yourself. Then I have another option we can explore, which is, I found this out when I visited a site once. Early last week, I visited the site and I saw this option. It's called vid.io, all right? And what I love about this is that it works perfect. I'm not sure if it has an app on your phone, but you can use it on a desktop computer, all right? So please go try it out. It's amazing. It allows you put in captions, as you can see here. It generates the captions for you, so you just need to go and edit it, all right? It's amazing. I tried testing it out and it's just lovely. Like I always say, make mistakes and learn. These platforms are set up to be easy for even a 5-year-old to learn. So the way this works is that you just upload your video, click on upload, and then it will take you through the interface of asking you how you want the video to appear. Do you want to take from your device, or you have somewhere to get it from? Maybe you want to record it instantly. Even if you press record, it gives you the option of choosing how you want to record it. I mean, it's amazing. I'm sure you want to test it out, but we're not going to go deep into that. All right, so you go explore it yourself and use it to generate captions. The whole idea is that the technology used will listen to you and try to generate the words you said, then you can edit it, you can correct it, all right? So go try it out. Another thing I like about this app is that you can put a progress bar. All right, you can put a progress bar to your video. I love that. I'm going to teach you the manual way to do that, but if you want to use Vid to do that, please go ahead and do so. I'll also place a video on how you can do that using Vid, all right? So go try it out and make the best of it while we move on to the next class.